This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling NFC and opening the precise wallet or card app on your device. Once done, make sure you are signed in and any device security, like PIN or biometric, is active. Next, place the physical card near the top or back of the phone where the reader resides. This is the first actionable step. You need steady positioning. Hold it still for a few seconds so the app can detect the chip. If prompted, choose Add Card or Scan Card to continue. You now perform the core transfer. Follow the app's scanning prompts or the wallet's NFC detection instructions. Once the device reads the chip or you input the card data, double-check the cardholder name, number, and expiration. Then accept terms and proceed to verification. Banks may require SMS codes, one-time passwords, or app confirmations. Make sure to allow any permission dialogues and keep the card positioned until the app confirms success. This step, you finish by setting the card as default if desired and confirming any final security options like a device PIN. Once added, perform a small contactless purchase or use the app's test payment to ensure transactions process. If the terminal prompts, select contactless and hold the phone steady. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is simple. Turn NFC off and on, restart your phone, and repeat verification. That often clears temporary pairing or tokenization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.